America. May we please kindly welcome the author, Samiksha Kejriwal. Thank you. Before I go to Samiksha, sir, Dr. Hiten, it's Bavsar or Bavsar? Bavsar? Sure. Thank you, sir. So please, अगर आप जो भी pronunciation correct करना चाहते हैं, you can correct it right now, yeah, with me. Let's welcome Samiksha Kejriwal, the author of the book, who's a living testament to the strength of the human spirit. A bright and ambitious girl whose life took a devastating turn after the near-fatal accident that left her in a negative state, irreversible as per the medical science. Before the devast, she was known for her laughter, love for books and creativity. But with more adversities, she evolved into a silent fighter who rode against all medical odds. She learned how to live and in turn taught people not to complain. And in a deeply personal autobiography, she not only shares a journey of resilience, hope, and emerges as an inspiration for anyone who had their back against the wall. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please give it up for Samiksha Kejriwal. Samiksha, जो मेरे दिल में चल रहा है, सभी के दिल में चल रहा है. We are so happy to see you here and really proud of you, darling. Please let us know a little bit about this book and your story.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And just a savior for.
I can hold it. I can hold it.
Face to face, and just overcome from. I just want to say this to everyone. I just want to see this everyone. That like time changes, and you have to just fight against all the odds. Everyone, please do not let go. Everyone, just fight against all the odds, and time as passes by. We can't just challenge everyone. We can't just challenge even science, any kind of odds. But spiritually and physically and mentally, you have to just challenge yourselves. After like, you can do it. You really can't do it. You really can do it. I just want to say this.
Sure. समीक्षा, हम कहते हैं फाइट अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑड्स, लेकिन सबसे पहले हमें फाइट तो अपने मन के साथ, माइंड के साथ करनी पड़ती है टू स्ट्रेंथन इट. सो आपका वो पीरियड कैसा रहा, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? वुड लाइक टू शेयर अ सेंटेंस और टू. वो पल कब था? पहले तो यू फील वेरी लो, यू फील ओ योर life is like smashed completely, and then you wake up and then you have that bright sunshine coming your way. So एक ही सेंटेंस में अगर क्या चाहेंगे, when was that realization जब आपको आया?
19 years ago. 19 years ago.
And उसके बाद did you get happiness in your life?
Yes.
खुशियाँ मिली आपको?
For sure. Just 4 months ago, not 4 months. After the accident, after the 19-year-old accident, I just I think 6 months after that, I was walking and was standing. I was just like standing confidently, but not so much. But yes, I could like introduce myself at least. But yes, time passes, and like yes, I have to face once again the challenges that life has once again put me through.
But you look beautiful and we are proud of you. Everyone, give her a loud round of applause. I just want to mention here, I've just landed from Mumbai this morning, or last evening. My show was with our former President of India, His Excellency Shri Ramnath Kovind. अभी रात को ही मैं करके आई हूँ दुबई में शो, and we had a special performance, Miracle on Wheels, you know, and वो सुन नहीं सकते, कुछ लोग देख नहीं सकते, and उन्होंने डांस परफॉर्म किया. It was completely unbelievable. हम इतने कंप्लेंट्स करते हैं ना लाइफ में, छोटे छोटे कंप्लेंट्स करते हैं. इट कुड बी एज सिंपल एज यार खाना अच्छा नहीं बना आज, खाना अच्छा नहीं बना तो उसके लिए अपसेट हो जाते हैं, उस पर क्या बात है. बट दीज आर द ट्रू इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरीज फ्रेंड्स. जो चैलेंजेस ये फेस करते हैं, एट द सेम टाइम वो उस चैलेंज को अपॉर्चुनिटी में बदलते हैं, एंड दिस इज लाइफ. तो हम भी अपने जो भी चैलेंजेस है ना उन सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी में बदलें, जस्ट लाइक our very own Samiksha Kejriwal. We are proud of you, darling. And keep shining. Yeah, we are very eagerly waiting कि आपकी बायोग्राफी हम पढ़ें. और अगर फिल्म बननी हो या आप सोच लो, मैं चेतन भगत सर के सामने पूछूंगी कि आपके बायोग्राफी पर अगर कोई फिल्म बननी हो तो आप कौन सी एक्ट्रेस को चाहेंगे वो एक्टिंग करे. ठीक है, आप सोच लो. ठीक है, लेट्स गिव अ लाउड राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. Friends, feel free to speak in any language that touches everyone's hearts. क्योंकि हमारी जो अगली ऑथर है, she's an inspiration to all of us. May we please give it up for Samiksha Kejriwal, the author of the book, who's a living testament to the strength of a human spirit. 19 years के उसके एक्सीडेंट ने उसकी जिंदगी बदल दी, and उसने किस तरह अपनी जिंदगी को जुनून से लिया और अचीव किया ये सब कुछ. ये है बहुत ही खूबसूरत किताब ऑफ समीक्षा केजरीवाल. She learned how to live and in turn taught people not to complain. This is her autobiography. May we please put hands together. Ooh la la la. I am still there. The story of grit, defiance and will to conquer. Yes, I can do it. इनका नाम भी उसी तरह ही है ना, समीक्षा. क्या बात है. Samiksha, we are really proud of you and we love you. Come on everybody, loud round of applause. Special applause for the bright and ambitious girl who was really with all these challenges in her life, and then it became a reality. So I'm going to request Samiksha, I'm going to hold the microphone for you to speak a few words, darling. What do you like to say? Chetan Bhagat is here, you were waiting for him.
I just want to tell that don't quit. Anytime, not quit. Not quit. Never quit.
And ये आपकी बायोग्राफी है, so हम जानना चाह रहे थे इस पर अगर फिल्म बनेगी तो कौन सी एक्ट्रेस को आप चाहेंगे कि वो प्ले करे आपका किरदार?
It's like Madhuri Dixit.
माधुरी दीक्षित मैम. वाओ, क्या बात है, ब्यूटीफुल. She was मतलब अभी कौन है? She will. Okay, she's always your favorite. Once a favorite, always a favorite, right? Okay. Do we have anyone else from your family? जो आए हैं? आ जाएं, पूरा first table आ जाएं. Please, स्वागत है आप सबका. And sir has signed a book for you, darling. Maybe please have the copies, darling. Come. Please come. This is for your side. And this is for all of you. Thank you. Come. सारा परिवार आ जाए, खूबसूरत परिवार. You know, किताब इन्होंने लिखी है, but इसमें सबका साथ होता है तो ही विकास होता है. जैसे हमारे ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं, जी हाँ, सबका साथ सबका विकास. प्लीज आ जाएं. बहुत ही जबरदस्त परिवार है आपका, समीक्षा केजरीवाल. वी आर रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू. हर स्टोरी, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, द ग्रैंड अनवीलिंग of the book I'm Still There, penned down by Samiksha Kejriwal, the author. Heartfelt congratulations. Thanks, Applaud, at the Book Turner Gala event. Unveils the book of Samiksha Kejriwal. We're proud of you, Samiksha. Thank you. Samiksha, please wait. I want one Samiksha's picture with Chetan, sir. Sir, can we have her that side with Chetan, sir? Sorry, sir. Sir, only one book, sir. Sorry, we can't. मैं माफ़ी चाहूँगी, please. आप लोग अपनी भी जगह ले लें. उसका आप Xerox copy ले सकते हैं. Please, sir, we can't, sir. Please. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, I want just, one picture with no, Samiksha. Ma'am, आपका हो गया, please. Thank you, family. Thank you so much. But one picture, yeah. Samiksha. Yes, this is with Chetan Bhagat, sir. Very special. Friends, thank you so much. Please, I'm going to request you all, it's going to be only one book. Sign is very precious, friends. Right, thank you. It's only for the author, please, Hannah. Shukriya. Friends, thank you so much. Samiksha, keep shining, okay? Thank you. Thank you, sir. Author Samiksha Kejriwal. You're on stage. Come down. Are you ready, Samiksha? You're going to have the reading of the book. Just hold it, just hold it. That's it. Are we ready? Can we have the countdown, ladies and gentlemen? The countdown. 3, 2, and 1.
No, I'm not. I just want to say that, like, please, please don't leave as patients as me, patients like me. Not leave. Just try to overcome all the odds and, like, just go on. Just want
I've
to.
seen that your book is almost blank. What would be the message of this?
The problem, this thing is it's yet to be written because there's lots to bind on. That's why it's pending. I don't know.
I like it. Shall I help her with the
I am Saroj Kumar, the father of Samiksha, whom we are seeing, who has authored this book today. It's titled as I Am Still There. We have stressed the word still because we had a very big story behind her accident. We would like to stress that the life after accidents are always very vulnerable and very dangerous. In the case of my daughter, she met the accident 15 years back. What we are seeing her today is 15 years old case. At the time of accident, all doctors, whomever we have shown, I have flown her to various places and everything. Everywhere it was declared as dead. She was in coma for 3 months, with all doctors declaring she is influx. She has influx edema and she will never survive. Including I have flown doctors from Bombay to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Bellary and all other places for her treatment. So a case wherein we had no hopes, we have been battling. She has been battling herself, and as parents, we have been battling for her. So the question now arises is how to come out on such situations. It's only your patience, your grits, your bravery, and your willpower. My daughter has a great willpower to come out of all this. We were surprised to see when she has come out of this coma stage. All the specialists who have seen her even at Apollo, imagine at Apollo, they had declared her dead. But she's here before you all. We had brought various specialists. Everyone declared, like I brought ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist said, no, she will never see. I bought an ENT surgeon. He said, she'll never hear. I bought a thyroid surgeon. He said, she'll never have breath and she'll never have a lung power and all that. And I bought even orthopedic. They said she'll never stand or do anything. For your information, in my daughter's case right now, she was roughly 90% okay 8 years back. But 8 years back, again she had a small fall in the house while walking. That is why now she is onto the wheelchair because she cannot stand or walk on her own. With the support only she can do all these things. We are battling for her and we are still working on it. That's why we say I am still there. 15 years period is not a small period. She was an engineering student when the accident took place. At a very young age, you could say it's when she was 17, she met with this accident. She just had to go to write her exams and this is what has happened. And today they are battling for her life. And I only hope the medical attention that is to be given has already been given. Now when Dawa is over, we say Dua takes over. So now we are only working on Dua everywhere. And hope everywhere God is there and He comes to our aid like a miracle. Anytime miracle will happen, what we say. And we are waiting for the miracle. We had come out with this biopic of her just to come out to the world to say what parents face when the child suffers or what happens to the child when they see the parents craving for the child. It's vice versa and made for each other case. And for the society, I have to say, just don't leave your kids where they are just for the sake of some attention. Attention is needed, attention is to be given, and what God wishes has to happen. And that is what is happening. But all has to be given, has been given. And now, let us have faith in God, and she will definitely come out. And I'm sure my daughter who is here now, who is still battling for her life, to be on her own, will rise to the occasion and come up. That's why we have come. We are.
What would you give the message of young authors?
To young authors, only thing is, gone are those days where we would play goli, you would talk to each other, you would write postcards, you would write inland letters, telegrams and all this. We have not seen all those things now. We have only a great thing, that's our great mobile. I say yes, mobile is a very good thing, but it will be over misused. You lose your knowledge, you lose your brain, you lose your things, just for the sake of some knowledge. I will give a small example. Earlier you would say 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 is this much. Today, for anything and everything, we just wiggle our fingers and find out on the mobile. Because mobile gives you not only communication facility, it gives you so many things. And that is why even young children, I have my own granddaughter, if you would have seen her doing the event, she is running around here and there. She is just 3 years, but she knows how to operate the mobile. She knows how to operate the mobile and use the mobile, but she doesn't know how to say ABCD and other things. This is the world where we are living. We are leading for the sake of advantage, a lot of disadvantages. Let us not do that. Let us not lose our brains for which we are used to. I would only say, work on things, go back to our old days. They were the happier days, I can say. Yes, today's days are also happy. I don't say deny on that. But work on the advantages. Never look to the disadvantages. And these book habits which are having, like what my daughter is authoring today, it's a sort of a story which she tells in her own way. And it reaches so many people, whereas the mobile and other things will not reach the mass. And the mass who are needed will go through this book, not the mobile. I would only appeal, be on your own, be of some use to the society, never give up hopes and work like a brave warrior, what my daughter is doing. And she is still trying. I hope we still try and we'll definitely come out of this one day or the other through a great message. Well,
yearbook and showing them.
Yeah. என்ன ஒழுக்கம் கிடையாது ஒரு
सूरत आपकी सुभान अल्लाह